Welcome to our dishwasher showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular built-in dishwashers, the Midea MDF18A1ABB and the BLACK+DECKER 24-inch model. We will look at their features, performance, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're looking for a compact option or a larger capacity, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The Midea MDF18A1ABB offers a compact design with 8-place settings, making it ideal for smaller kitchens. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER model boasts a larger capacity of 12-place settings, accommodating more dishes and cookware, which is perfect for families or those who entertain frequently. When it comes to washing programs, the Midea model features 6 options, including heavy, normal, EKO, delicate, quick, and rinse. On the other hand, the BLACK+DECKER offers 5 wash programs, along with a smart wash cycle, which automatically adjusts the wash settings based on the load. This makes the Midea more versatile in terms of washing options. Price is always a crucial factor. The Midea MDF18A1ABB is priced at $459, making it an affordable choice for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER model comes with a higher price tag of $999, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. It's essential to weigh these factors against your needs and budget. In conclusion, both the Midea MDF18A1ABB and the BLACK+DECKER 24-inch dishwasher have their strengths. The Midea is perfect for smaller spaces and budgets, while the BLACK+DECKER offers more capacity and features for those willing to invest more. Which one do you think is the better choice? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.